Did you know that the average person knows around 20,000 words? But here's the twist. The richest speakers often use less than half of that in daily conversations. So, what sets them apart? It's not the quantity of words, but their ability to use the right word at the right time. If you've ever struggled to find the perfect word or want to impress in business meetings and everyday conversations, stick around. Today, I'll reveal 10 powerful tricks to supercharge your vocabulary. Let's get started. Words are the building blocks of communication. Whether you're presenting a business pitch, writing an email, or chatting with friends, the words you choose can make or break your message. A rich vocabulary isn't just about sounding smart, it's about expressing yourself clearly, making connections, and understanding others better. But building that vocabulary, that's where most people stumble. The good news, with the right techniques, it's easier than you think. In this video, I'll walk you through 10 tried and tested tricks to improve your vocabulary. From fun apps to creative exercises, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive into the common challenges first. Improving your vocabulary sounds exciting, but let's face it, it's not always smooth sailing. Here are a few challenges most learners face. Forgetting new words. You learn a new word today and by tomorrow it's gone. Overwhelmed by synonyms. Ever looked at a thesaurus and thought, which one should I use? Lack of usage. You learn new words but rarely get a chance to use them in real life. Time constraints. Busy schedules make it hard to sit down and study vocabulary. Sound familiar? Don't worry, these challenges are common, but the tricks I'm about to share will help you overcome them with ease. Read widely and regularly. Books, articles, blogs, and even subtitles on TV shows are treasure troves of new words. Choose materials that interest you, and keep a notebook or app handy to jot down unfamiliar words. For example, if you're a fan of business English, read publications like Forbes or Harvard Business Review. For casual learning, try novels or online articles. Pro tip: challenge yourself by reading genres you're less familiar with, like science fiction or biographies. Keep a vocabulary journal. A dedicated journal for new words can work wonders. Write down the word, its meaning, a sentence using it, and any synonyms or antonyms. For example, word, resilient, meaning, able to recover quickly from difficulties. Sentence: she remained resilient despite the challenges. Pro tip: review your journal weekly and try to use these words in your conversations. Learn contextually. Memorizing definitions is old school. Instead, learn words through context. When you see a new word, pay attention to how it's used in a sentence. For example, the word intricate might appear in a sentence like, "The artist created an intricate design." Understanding it in context makes it easier to remember. Play word games. Games like Scrabble, Boggle, and crossword puzzles make learning fun and engaging. For example, set a goal to score points with a new word every day in Scrabble. Pro tip: try apps like Wordscapes or Quizlet for modern word-building exercises. Use flashcards. Flashcards are a classic method for a reason. Write the word on one side and its meaning on the other. Digital options like Anki make it even easier. For example, flashcard front persuasive, back good at convincing others. Pro tip: use spaced repetition to review words at increasing intervals for better retention. Engage in conversations. Talking to people is one of the fastest ways to test your vocabulary. Whether it's with friends, colleagues, or language exchange partners, practice makes perfect. For example, use a new word in your next meeting. Instead of saying, "This is a big problem," try, "This is a significant challenge." Learn word roots and origins. Understanding word roots, prefixes, and suffixes can help you decode unfamiliar words. For example, the root graph means to write or to draw. For example, autograph biography. Pro tip: invest in a good etymology app or book to explore this further. Watch and listen. TED Talks, podcasts, and English shows are excellent for learning new words and phrases. Pay attention to how speakers use words naturally. For example, while watching a TED Talk, note down any unfamiliar words and later look up their meanings. Practice synonyms and antonyms. For every new word, learn its synonyms and antonyms to expand your vocabulary faster. For example, word happy, synonyms joyful content, antonyms sad, miserable. Pro tip: use synonyms interchangeably in sentences to build fluency. Teach what you learn. Explaining a word to someone else helps solidify your understanding. For example, share a new word with a friend or post it on social media with its meaning and usage. Pro tip: Start a word of the day challenge with friends or colleagues. Here's the secret sauce. Consistency is key. The single most impactful trick is integrating vocabulary building into your daily routine. Whether it's reading 5 pages, reviewing flashcards, or using 1 new word per day in conversation, small, consistent efforts lead to massive improvements over time. Let's quickly recap the 10 tricks. Read widely and regularly. Keep a vocabulary journal. Learn contextually. Play word games. Use flashcards. Engage in conversations. Learn word roots and origins. Watch and listen. Practice synonyms and antonyms. Teach what you learn. Building a strong vocabulary doesn't have to be boring or time-consuming. It's about making small changes to your habits and having fun with the process. Which of these tricks are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on mastering English. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. See you next time.